Hello children, welcome back to my channel and let's
First
start
we
our
will
today's
draw
drawing.
some grasses like this. Okay, it's very simple and slowly you have to do it. After that we will draw a house here. First inverted V, then like this, and then one more line here. Join two lines down here and one more here. Then we will join these lines in this way. After that, here and here, make it a small mark. Window and door. Make it black. And from here, I am going to draw one line and one line here. Then I will draw tree. Same way we will draw some curved lines like this, and from here also some curved lines. Then I'll draw one line here and one more line here. Okay, then some grasses or bushes you can say. Now I will draw the sun here. These are the sun rays and two birds flying in the sky. Our drawing is ready. Let's color.
So here our drawing is ready. Children, if you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And also you can suggest me what to draw for the next video in the comment section.